Good morning, everyone. My name is Janvi Agarwal, and I want to be an international motivational speaker till the age of 18 because I want to motivate the upcoming generation so that they can become successful or they can gain success in every act. So let's begin with today's topic, which is education. It's the daily term which we listen or which we speak. Education, first of all, let me tell you what's education. Education is not the preparation for life. Please understand this. It's life itself. But it doesn't mean कि आप किताबों में you lose your life in books. You are totally you are in the depth of books and you don't even know the names of the games played outside. There is one of my friend and she is such a bookie girl that she don't even know what's the game known as chain. उसे यही नहीं पता चेन कैसे खेलते हैं क्योंकि वो इतनी पढ़ाकू लड़की है. So I want you to study a bit so that you can keep yourself upgraded about the things which are happening around our world, about the science which we use in our daily routine. And yeah, don't मतलब हमेशा फर्स्ट आने की चाहत बिल्कुल नहीं रखिए क्योंकि इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू आर द मोस्ट ब्रेनी पर्सन इन योर क्लास. एनी अदर पर्सन कैन ऑल्सो कम फर्स्ट. सेकेंड भी आ गए तो क्या बुराई है, कोई पोजीशन भी नहीं आई तो क्या बुराई है, एटलीस्ट यू ट्राइड फॉर द थिंग. नो, सो डोंट फील बैड बिकॉज. और हाँ, पढ़ाई में इतना भी लिप्त नहीं हुई है कि आपको अपना पैशन ही नहीं मिले. You need to focus on your passion so that you can know what you want to be in future. But yeah, if you want to be an employee and you have decided from your young age that I'll be an employee, then you need to study and focus on your studies. But in such a way that you know the names of games played outside. Education is important because it provides us with the feeling of a well-being. It provides us with the feeling of a developed person and it gives us a good and a proper gesture. It gives us the opportunity to capture all the opportunities which can lead you towards your success. And if I talk about my own perspective, then I would like to say that IAS or RHS, whatever it is, I am very confused. तो रोज निकलते हैं, लेकिन बिल गेट्स जैसा जो बिजनेसमैन होता है वो सदियों में एक बार निकलता है. कुछ ऐसा करिए कि आप बिल गेट्स जैसे बने. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप 100 साल जिए, पर ऐसा काम करिए कि आपका नाम 100 साल जिए. Because age doesn't matter. Age is just a number. It isn't your life. Age does not decide when you have to study and when you have to talk. You can do anything at any age. So, अगर आप 60 के भी हैं तो अभी मत डरिए. You have time. You can study. You have to start now. KFC के जो मालिक थे उन्होंने 65 पे अपनी कंपनी का स्टार्टअप किया था एंड नाउ यू कैन सी इट्स $1,000 billion कंपनी. That's why never be scared to start with education. Education is very important and every child or every person must go to school or colleges to attain enlightenment, to attain knowledge, to get knowledge. In appropriate age you should go to schools and colleges because the education system which you take will lead your country towards the heights of the sky. If you see anyone who isn't going to school because of lack of money, at least give him 100 or 200 rupee note so that he can afford to go to school. Education is the must. That's why I'm saying this. Please like, subscribe my video, and thank you. Have a bright future.